I feel free. My video. Wait. Is this like a stage for people or what?
I think so. I think there might be like some performances out here.
Oh, it's so cool. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like the closer you get to the water, it gets worse.
I think I've already turned into stone over here.
I literally feel it like piercing through my like hand.
Dude, I can't feel my hand no more.
Oh.
Shit. She told me she wasn't gonna call until tomorrow. What is this?
Okay, this is one of them.
What is it?
It's not on.
Seasonal inlet. Oh, it says seasonal, so. That's awesome.
I think there's more than that noise. Because they're obviously calling my
Oh, wee. I officially can't feel my hand.
Like I said, I'm glad we have to wear masks for the
Hey,
pandemic.
Tiffany, take a look at this bridge. That's a bridge, Tiff. Tiff's online. Good God. How cold is it? I can no longer see.
I know. I'm starting to fog up a little bit.
That is pretty.
So this is like the little fountain things.
Oh, it's another one?
Yeah, this thing right here usually has water going, but obviously you don't want to get me when it's not on.
You know, it's cool. I can take the audio out of this video and upload it to YouTube.
But yeah, see how
Neat.
you can see where the water is going up.
My old phone could never get this nice video.
I'm fogging up again. I
Me
can't
too.
see.
I can't see out of my what light?
I can't see.
Left eye.
Well, mine's my right.
We need wipers on our glasses. Lady.
Yeah, see?
This is
one with
beautiful.
water coming out of it too.
Ooh, that painting. Oh, I can't feel my hand.
Switch hands. Oh, dude, look at the bridge.
Yeah, it's changing colors. You didn't see it?
Not those colors. It was going colors like across differently.
Those are pretty. Just imagine a romantic night, evening walking through here on a nice warm night.
Right.
Wouldn't recommend coming out here when it's cold. Ooh, switching hand. Should have brought glove. Holy smokes. Oh, look. Trash barge, maybe? This doesn't look like Kentucky. This looks like a different, like, city. Ooh, Petey Petey.
Yeah, I think more going this way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's the park.
Oh, hell! Those kids would love that.
Yeah. I think if it's
What's
open,
the temperature? Beats me.
cold as fuck.
Yes, cold as fuck. What she said.
That's the temp.
It's so cold, my hand is red. Look at that. Woo! And of course, there's wind, but there's freaking water over there, so that makes it worse. Why don't we wear thicker jackets? What's wrong with us?
Well, this is all I brought.
Well, you could have stole mine, and I could have stole.
I can't fit in you.
You could probably fit into those.
Barely. Maybe
Yeah.
an arm.
Dude, I'm pretty
Look
sure.
at this. It's cool. Look at that
This
tree.
is
Look at
beautiful.
the squirrel.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh, we will never get the kids out of this park.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, you know how many good photos you can take?
Look at that frog.
It's cold here tonight too. Oh, I'm already a popsicle. What's beyond a popsicle? I'm over here, my lips are like, you're not going to be talking right now. Wow, I want to play on this.
Dude, I have played it.
What? This
The
is
ground,
so
isn't it
cool. I don't know about you, but I will play on this.
Heck yeah.
This is nice. We're about to become kids once again and play on this stuff. This is as big for like adults. Please tell me it's made for adults.
I don't know, but I've been on it.
Well, I'm gonna go on it. Dude, where's a good slide at? I want to go down one.
You might get wet.
Oh shit, I forgot about that. You just burst my bubble.
Sorry.
Thanks. She burst my
You would
bubble.
have been like, oh man, if you would have done it. I've been like, well,
Well,
I thought about it.
A
but
wet butt is totally worth it, especially that slide.
Not when it's windy like this.
Oh, good point. This is so neat. This is any adult's dream, not kid. And they have a little bitty mini one too for smaller kids.
Yeah.
But knowing my kids, they dangerous. Wow. This is awesome. I would never want to leave. It's a giant park, literally, guys. Aw. I forgot I was frozen for a second. Yep, I don't know about you, but you pick one kid, I'll pick the other, and we'll give an excuse to go down them. What if you
I guess it's obviously age groups for certain areas.
Yeah,
have a-
nobody pays
They have a
attention to that.
splash area,
Oh, how neat.
and then it says you're here, so this is the front
Cool. Well,
from 7 to 10.
parental supervision recommended. Guess that means you take a kid, I take a kid. We use them as leverage so we can go down. This is nice. Yep, I officially lost this hand too now.
Okay, time to switch.
Moves. Ew.
You hear like a creak.
I come home with frostbite. Hon, what'd you do to your hand? Got too cold. Why didn't you come back? You'll see when I take you there. I think warm thoughts. Hot chocolate.
Yeah,
Take one.
Some hot chocolate does sound pretty good.
Doesn't it? Any gas stations with some hot chocolate?
Oh, that's cool. I don't know what that is. I've not been.
The flags, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, there's some.
It's like a, looks like a memorial.
Yeah.
Kind of piece.
Okay, we're coming back here tomorrow when it's warm.
Oh, look at that. There's like another one over there.
Oh, wow. Gold Star families and relatives. A tribute to them. I can't see the rest because my freaking glass is fogged. Dang it. I'm seeing colors. And fog.
But mostly fog.
Yeah, mostly fog. I can see out on my right. Okay, now we're starting to clear up. This is nice. Recognition of contribution to the city of Owensboro.
This thing says, enjoy your freedom and hesitate.
Amen to that.
And then there's like a bunch of different people's, I think,
Wow.
names in the tiles.
Yeah, we have to come back here when we have the sun. Come for me. Many years in the jungle has taken its toll on me. I'm not the same man I used to be, but one thing's consistent. I long to be free. Please, Mr. President, come for me. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Wow. know why they call it a river park. Oh, Korea POW. Oh, wow. That's cool. I'm gonna go in this because I can't feel my hands.